How to sign up as a carpool driver on Ryde. Step 1. Download the Ryde Driver app from the App Store, Google Play Store or App Gallery. Step 2. Sign up with your mobile number. Step 3. Key in the one-time password that is sent to your mobile number. Step 4. Enter your name, email and gender. Step 5. Enable notifications to receive trip requests and messages from riders. It is important to enable notifications for the best user experience. Step 6. Now, choose your vehicle type of driving. Step 7. Choose your driver type profile. Step 8. Start uploading the required documents. Begin with personal verification. Upload the front side of your NRIC. Please ensure the photo is clear with all 4 corners visible. Next, upload the back side of your NRIC. Then upload a recent profile photo of yourself. This will be your public profile, so please ensure your face is visible and remove sunglasses. Lastly, for personal verification, key in your date of birth, NRIC number and home address. We will now verify your driving license and vehicle. Please upload the front side of your driving license. Next, upload the other side of your driving license. Please ensure that the photos are clear with all 4 corners visible. Tap on Vehicle Details and fill in your vehicle, make and model. Then upload a photo of the front side of your car, making sure the license plate number is visible. Finally, enter your vehicle registration number. Next, upload your car insurance. This is a car insurance license for your reference. You're almost there. Once all your documents are uploaded, your account should look like this example. Thank you, you're all set. We will verify your account within 24 hours. For any questions or assistance, please visit our FAQ page or contact support at ridesharing.com. Download Ryde Driver app now